soon as I try to leave a room.
Sutton County and West Central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
As soon as I try to leave a room.
24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm
Okay,
was located
cool.
near the intersection of I-10 and Ranch Road 1989, or near Sonora, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sonora around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the intersection of I-10 and Ranch Road 1989, US 277 near the Sutton-Schleicher County line, the intersection of US 190 and Ranch Road 2084, and the intersection of Ranch Road 2596 and Ranch Road 864. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 386 and 423. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in
No
effect
more
until
rain.
10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Texas. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County and West Central Texas, northeast